Good day. Today we'll be looking at how to detect duplicate values in Excel. So how do we do that? This is a bank salary schedule for the month of October 2022 of Keep Watching Nigeria Limited. So most the salaries of these staffs have been paid, but there were complaints from staff who said, oh, they've not received their salaries, they've not some people was paid twice. So now we want to know which of the account numbers were duplicate. Okay, that's what we want to know. So it's so simple, so straightforward. So what we just need to do is to use the word conditional formatting. To do that, we just come here, we come to under the home tab. This is conditional formatting. Let's click on it. Highlight cells rules. See, so there are different rules. We have greater than, less than, between, equal to, but what we are interested in is the duplicate values. So, and now we have what we are interested in is duplicate value, light red field with dark red field. So what do we want? Let's use light red with dark red field, okay, for duplicate. Oh, sorry, we need to highlight the values we are working with, and then we ask it to duplicate. Yeah, okay. So yes, bam, we have our duplicate values. These are the duplicate values. So they are so easy and so straightforward. So we have the duplicate value. The ones in red are the ones that are duplicate value. So what we need to do is all those who have duplicate value, they need to want to check, okay, who received twice and who didn't receive. So we just need to have some confirmation. So this is how to detect duplicate values in a cell. Thank you.